Hello everyone, today's lemon day. I love the lemon. Once again, I have the lid off it to have a smell. It's just beautiful, just refreshing. And I actually have it as my morning drink. Little Miss Sunshine. And I have the real lemons though. I do have my real lemons in it in the morning, and I just put a drop of lemon in it, and that is my morning get started drink. So that's one way that you can have a lemon. Add it to your lemon drink, add it to just hot water, whatever you would like to do. Now the other way you can use lemon besides inhaling it, because it does have that an uplifting impact as most citrus oils do, and so if you do need an uplifted, it's great for that. But you can put it on your dishcloth and you can wipe down your benches. You can put it in and make a lot of DIYs for your cleaning products, which you can get from the ebook, and I'll put that down as a list to look at. But you can put it in with that. You can just clean up and wipe down anything that you're putting lemon on. It will freshen it, it will uplift it, and you can put it in a whole lot of things. That lemon, that refreshing smell. So just a drop on your dishcloth and wipe it out. Try that today. Put it in some lemon hot water and try that today if that feels like something that you'd like to do. How else do I love to use my lemon? You simply have a smell of it. Put it in your diffuser if you got one, and put a drop of that with the peppermint, and very, very uplifting and refreshing at the same time. So there's some ways you can put lemon. However, internally, yes, use it in your cooking. I know people who make lemon slices or lemon meringue or lemon anything like that, and they'll just still add this lemon, and it really enhances the flavour. So that's a lot of ways you can use your lemon.